In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Jira issues to Confluence pages. This can be a real game changer for project management and team communication, streamlining the way you track and access important information. We'll go through this process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along and apply these steps to your own projects. To start off, you'll need to open the specific Jira issue that you wish to link to a Confluence page. This might be a task, a story, or a bug, whatever issue you're working with. Navigating to this page is your first step in this linking process. Once you have that Jira issue open, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Confluence content section. This section is where the magic happens, as it's specifically designated for linking and displaying any connected Confluence pages. You'll notice a plus button located on the right hand side. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up additional linking options for you to explore. Next, you're going to encounter a drop down menu labeled Filter by Space. Here you'll need to select the appropriate Confluence space where your page is located. This step is crucial because it ensures that you're linking the correct content relevant to your team or project. Once you've selected the space, you have two options. You can either search for the Confluence page by its name, or, and this is often quicker, you can paste the URL directly into the search box. If you know exactly which page you're linking, the URL method can save you some time. After finding the relevant page, the final step is to click Link. This will successfully connect the Confluence page to your Jira issue, creating a bridge between the two tools that can enhance collaboration and make tracking documentation much simpler. And there you have it, a straightforward way to link Jira issues with Confluence pages. By integrating these tools, you provide your team with a more cohesive work environment, allowing everyone easy access to the information they need. This process can greatly improve your team's efficiency by keeping all necessary documentation connected to related tasks or issues. As a tip, remember that regularly linking Jira issues and Confluence pages can help you maintain an organized and transparent workflow. It minimizes the risk of miscommunication and keeps everyone on the same page, literally and figuratively. Try incorporating this into your daily routine and watch how it can transform your project management experience. Thanks for watching and happy linking.